Long about 1945, he was born in Idaho, very much alive. Between his chubby little legs there arose a little bud. So begins the story of the senator's pud. While he was growing up on an Idaho ranch, he went around with one of his hands in his pants. Sometimes they'd catch him sitting naked in the mud, having him a party with the senator's pud. The senator's pud was long and lean, the color of the mud, and his nuts were green. He had a wide stance in the crapper stall crud, and it never was a schlong like the senator's pud. He drifted on over to Washington, looking for some power and some bathroom fun. He matched his pud against the best in the land, just tapping his foot and a brush in his hand. Him and a lawman, they couldn't agree, sitting next to each other in the lavatory. When he saw that badge, his heart fell with a thud and shriveled up to nothing like the senator's pud. Yeah, the senator's pud was long and lean, the color of the mud, and his nuts were green. Had a wide stance in the crapper stall crud, and it never was a schlong like the senator's pud. Pretty little hand passing under the wall, pretty little bat showing from the next stall. At Minneapolis, John settled into a hush. They say he couldn't even hear the senator flush. Now the senator's telling us that he was never gay. What happens in the toilet stays. Now they're sending him back to the Idaho mud, where the senator can party with the senator's pud. Yeah, the senator's pud was long and lean, the color of the mud, and his nuts were green. He had a wide stance in the crapper stall crud, and there never was a schlong like the senator's pud. Yeah, there never was a schlong like the senator's pud.